Hi, I'm Lisa Morales-Hellebeau. I'm CEO and founder of REFASHIOND OS. And REFASHIOND OS is building what we're calling the fashion demand chain. It is the first distributed collaborative network of on-demand apparel advanced micro-manufacturing. We only produce things after they've been purchased, which is inherently more sustainable, with sustainable fibers and sustainable non-toxic waterless on-demand printing.
I couldn't be more excited about that because I am a huge proponent of sustainable fashion. It is completely different than anything I've ever seen because it allows a small designer, or any kind of designer really, the chance to order a la carte different things that they need. Not every designer has a full production facility or distribution. This allows you to choose what's missing in your company and fill that in with the assembly product, which is genius.
We've pulled together the best of the best creative team to pull off this amazing fashion history. Our designer is Maria Intscher, former head of design at Vera Wang, Calvin Klein, Edun, and Alexander McQueen. Our artist is street artist Curvazoid on Instagram, and these are all literally tags of his graffiti that can be found in a ton of different locations that were turned into a print and printed on demand. We have amazing styling from Jules Wood. Our augmented reality is Illuspace, and they are doing all of the AR capture and geo-drops. We are launching Paulina Vega Diepa, and she is going to be a 4-story tall supermodel wearing our capsule collection.
We can take her, move her to New York during New York Fashion Week and have her walking the runway, but the runway will actually be outside of Spring Studios for New York Fashion Week, which really creates a new experience when it comes to space, when it comes to location, and how art can have a communication or a narrative within that space.
It's the first time that everyone is going to see this happening, and a very cool way of doing art.
So an NFT, or a non-fungible token, is essentially, think of it like a digital certificate of authenticity.
When you own something, you truly feel like you're a part of it.
Being able to control your personal image has great power, first of all, and more than my personal image, is also a creative, special, unique idea. I think that is the most valuable of them all.
Recognizing and giving props to creators, because for a long time they've been the invisible people of making things beautiful.
What gets us really excited is about how people are reimagining their neighborhoods and reimagining their cities with their collections, where they can share things that they've collected with people they've never met before and be able to forge a connection to the artwork that has really not been done.
Consumer goods and supply chain and manufacturing is going to change, and the way we engage with what we purchase is going to have meaning, more so than ever before. So you're not purchasing an NFT, you're purchasing an experience or an engagement.
It's really exciting for me to make a product that is not just this one product and it's finished, but it has a life and it keeps changing, and I love that.
It's going to revolutionize a lot of aspects in the industry, so I'm more than excited.
We're making fashion history for New York Fashion Week.